Per Inside EVs, U.S. lawmakers are pushing for a major change to electric vehicle incentives. A new bill has been introduced to eliminate the $7,500 federal tax credit for new electric vehicles, along with a $4,000 credit for used ones and subsidies for charging stations. But that's not all. Another proposal would add a one-time $1,000 tax on every new electric vehicle purchase, meant to replace lost gas tax revenue that funds road maintenance. The bill's lead sponsor, Senator Deb Fischer of Nebraska, argues that electric vehicles must contribute their fair share to infrastructure costs since they don't pay fuel taxes. Critics, however, point out that the tax fails to account for varied driving habits and could further discourage EV adoption at a time when the industry is already experiencing headwinds. Meanwhile, Nissan's potential merger with Honda has officially fallen apart. Reports indicate disagreements over control and structure led Nissan to walk away from a $60 billion deal. Now, Taiwan's Foxconn, best known for making iPhones, is exploring a 15% stake in Nissan, potentially reshaping the automaker's future as it struggles to compete in the changing market. You are listening to Yuan News.